Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we all are in same page on ongoing civil justice sign-off is all for Pope Francis the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate, COVID-19, singles type, ISKCON, Isha Yoga, and then Baha'i Lotus Temple, then two approximately 254 yoga gurus of India, and it is a deadliest crime. So basic birthrights level all destroyed, stripped off, and from all civilians worldwide is the harshest reality, and nobody left out in Pope Francis mandated 666 Mark of the Beast scandal. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for total ISKCON, Isha, Baha'i Lotus Temple, Yoga Gurus of Indian population enforced to be single forever to live with emotional torture. And yes, the ISKCON leader and the Isha Yoga leaders and the Baha'i Lotus Temple, then the Guru Nanak's leader, and all the yoga gurus of India must all resign from their jobs and of priests and then must get ready to get out in the volcano to be gone in ashes without trace, because destroyed the innocent population worldwide with the wrongful misguided fellow mankind in a wrongful way, and that is crime. That is classified as a domestic violence. Then, so that is why President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence. And I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Chief Vatican Leader now, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations. For I displayed $1 trillion errors of a wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created hell divorce process. I can bail out DCF later when I become medical director for all nations. And here I also want to add on one more testimony. When I was working on the Poverty Free Earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project only, around that time only I was guiding on how I was displaying the errors one side, and I was educating with what are the types of paganism and how people are fooled and how people are destroyed, right? And when I was educating the wisdom only, a lot of toxins were pollutions were also mandated, and one of it was the International Day of Yoga was allocated only on, I think, if I understood, if I remember the date correctly, it was summer of 2015, June of 2015. So that is a live proof of how entire nations fears me only, nobody else. Okay, this is just a quick one more testimony I want to provide so that we all can be on the same page, right? So, I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Civil Chief Vatican Leader now, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, and for I display $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created hell divorce process worldwide. So I can bail out a DCF later when I become medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. Can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent and Pope Francis created hell always looked godly, holy, holy, holy highness, Republica, God of USA, and why nations population without any awareness only worships deadliest Antichrist as God, and it is a $1 trillion scandal. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire single ISKCON, Isha, Baha'i Lotus Temple, Yoga Gurus of India population, slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist the Lucifer. Either Pope Francis should say knows what is single ISKCON, Isha, Baha'i Lotus Temple, Yoga Gurus of India, or Pope Francis should say don't know what is India, or who are ISKCON, Isha, Baha'i Lotus Temple, Yoga Gurus of India in earth. We won the case of ongoing civil justice for $500,000 trillion, and finance compensation will be paid for entire population. So you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, just destroyed anything of humanity, you name it, worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone and to eat the tax dollars that rightfully belong to the humans. So these singles were population were mandated worldwide only for exclusively for tax mandate process, and sadly nobody knew the scandal behind. Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce and mandate single for innocent ISKCON, Isha, Baha'i Lotus Temple, Yoga Gurus of India worldwide to destroy brain nerves damages, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce innocent humans, as in ISKCON, Isha, Baha'i Lotus Temple, Yoga Gurus of India means I'm not talking about the leaders, they are all handcuffed mode. I'm talking about the innocent Hindus and population who got fooled by all these people, right? Just because they all how do they fool? They fool that they are the human gods, and population in India are not educated, so they can get easily fooled, and that's how they've been fooling the population forever. And that is the deadliest crime, and that needs to be stopped. And it is a classification of a domestic violence called slavery, hatred, and discrimination. And I also told that they also provide the deadliest casteism, and it is beyond white supremacism. It's beyond the racism slurs, right? So this casteism is a hell. You can define hell. Another word for hell is casteism. You can put it that way. Okay, so these people are the hell creators after all, but all in the name of what? All in the name of God. All in the name of God only, saying the name of the God only, they were providing all these help. So those people needs to be disciplined, and they all must stand in the queue. So starting with Queen Elizabeth, Pope Francis, and Roman Catholic fathers, nuns, and then Dalai Lama, Guru Nanak, everybody have to stand in the queue for the death penalty in volcano in Hawaii. Who are they to destroy the fellow mankind's precious lives by misguiding with all paganism? That is wrong, right? They are given lot of luxury. And when they have all the luxury to live on, why on the earth they even have to bother to destroy fellow mankind? That is wrong. So there needs to be civil justice that needs to be provided. Okay. And so how precious lives of civilians destroyed. So I am the mouthpiece for whom? I am the mouthpiece for entire Hinduism population. Got it? Regardless of whatever caste they are, regardless of whatever astrology sign they are, right? I'm just standing in front of entire Hinduism population, and I sure will get medical compensation for entire Hinduism population, count by count, regardless of genders, regardless of age, or whatever status they are in, right? They are innocent, and nobody have any birthright to hurt fellow mankind, right? And all without any awareness, only they all fall in the trap. And who is the highest level of scandal provider? The hell provider, Pope Francis, right? Don't you all think when he is a god of USA, he should have only guided all the people in the rightful path, right? That's what God do, right? He's a God, he's holy, and he's also jumped from heaven because absolute monarchs, and also having divine rights of God, right? So why on the earth he even failed on his God a few years ago? That is a crime, right? You should do not create hell for fellow mankind. And how easy is it? It's never a rocket science. And do you all know, it is my understanding he's a highest educated. He's a double master's degree. One he got in theology, in chemistry, masters of Pope Francis. He's a master's in chemistry. Okay, and he's also masters in theology. I already said if you go and name and pick out any Roman Catholic fathers and nuns, Roman Catholic nuns, they're all highest educated. It is known worldwide that they get only the highest level of education. But can you all see how those education became vain? I will even revoke all his degrees after all. Who is Pope Francis to create hell for fellow mankind, and that too in the total Hinduism population? Right? So civil justice will be provided. Right? He has to pay the price. Pope Francis has to pay all the price. Yes, it is a long list of medical finance compensation billing. Insurance people know what is claims processing, right? They absolutely know. They are all freaked out don't know what to do, because I'm just displaying crime after crime after crime, and each crime is deadliest. So how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness. In disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault, and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarchs. Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I, Vedapriya, proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis, Satan, Antichrist, created singles mandated for tax mandate, civil mandate, COVID-19 666, mark of the beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I become Vatican leader now, is a civil justice served. I should only lead enterprise software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got the correct answer, education, of how and why exactly President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist and Pope Francis is Antichrist, and entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by being our why USA is handcuffed mode. I want to convey I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th, 2021. It can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials. And I will consider that is my salary, because I am displaying all the USA broken organizations, right? And also displaying who are the Satans who are creating hell for fellow mankind. That means I am making USA nation richest by each second by $1 trillion. And for that itself, they have to pay me the $1 billion salary. And from my end, I am absolute in finance crisis, and that timely help will help me to take care of my basic essentials immediately during the transition time from being unemployed to get back to the workforce, right? So Pope Francis only created unemployment for me. I already educated you all. I have all the proof, right? So when he created unemployment, what is the civil justice for provided to me? Pope Francis must resign. I become Vatican leader. That's all. Cool. How cool is it that, right? He will never ever dare to create unemployment for any civilians forever, because he'll be gone in ashes in Vatican, in volcano in Hawaii, right? And when I become the Vatican leader, I will provide all heaven services, and I will guide all the nations in wisdom ways. Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, created tax mandate COVID-19 type ISKCON, Isha Yoga services, Baha'i Lotus Temple, which is an extension of our fake Israel, Pharisees, and Yoga Gurus of India. They are the Pharisees. Again, another extension of fake Israel. Mandated singles. And Pope Francis must get out of the earth now, or now only in volcano in Hawaii. So, civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, is Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to total population, 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, Dalai Lama must resign now, all the Hinduism leaders who are called as the ISKCON leaders and the Yoga Gurus leaders, International Yoga Day creator leader, everybody should resign now and get into the jail, be locked out mode until I come and I'll decide what to do next process, right? I'll ask all of them who destroyed the people, innocent population's lives to get out in the volcano only. Okay, so that means the yoga gurus cannot give me any excuse. Okay, that's pretty much it. So, and I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum. Then I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now. And I, Vedapriya, become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead medical services, Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, Native Indian tribe, true Israelite, Christian Jew of Judah, Israel, Jerusalem, and a true owner of USA. And USA is Tamil Nadu, so I only must be interim leader of USA. And then Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. And USA government must should pay tax-free $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than any robo, and I saved entire human kingdom precious lives, and I also proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations worldwide, and I also proved Pope Francis is the Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in earth. So whatever in Holy Bible predictions is happening now. So again celebrate being aware that evil forces worldwide that's creating hell for fellow mankind, all the evil forces of any type and avatars will be gone in ashes without a trace, and then all the population, all the nations will be living in an absolute heaven, right? Always shedding tears of joy like that. And civil justice wins always is a wisdom, my dear fellow mankind, right? And I am that I am born to save the world. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Bye for now.